Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining in this afternoon for this live streaming. So, when we talk of business growth and sales, what is the most important thing which comes to everybody's mind? Everybody's looking for new set of solutions, new set of ways and methods which can enable one to put the business onto the fast track growth. So, how about having a marketing engine for you ready in next 30 days? Interesting? Yes. So this is Ankur Agarwal here, and I enable individuals and entrepreneurs to transcend by developing sales engines and machinery for them so as to put their business onto the fast track growth. So when we are talking of sales, what is the first thing which is comes to mind? How does sales growth happens or a business growth happens in any environment? The most important thing which is there is that how a particular sales message is reaching to a larger set of audience and how it is reaching. Speed of going the right message to the audience is one of the key and the essential elements when it comes to the sales numbers. How fast your message is going, that decides the pace at which customers can be retained or acquired. So where exactly are the customers? Sales will happen when customers are there. And where the customers? Customers are there everywhere around. Customers are there offline as well as customers are there online. And if we see the trend, what is happening over last, say, more than 6 months or say more, almost a year now, the number of people online has gone up significantly. That number has gone up at a much larger extent. The digitalization has moved drastically. The consumer behavior of buying certain things has changed drastically. People have moved digitally. People have their buying patterns have changed. It's not the case where people used to go earlier and check the things on their own. Yes, it is there right now also, but there is a shift which is happening in this entire dimension which is there. So how does this entire thing span out? There are different modes of selling which is there. How to get the most maximum customers in the fold is the key and the essential element or the determinant for every business to be successful. And one of the most proven ways for doing this is a video based sales, video based content, video based marketing. This is one of the most important aspects in the changing business environment and in the new era or in the new normal, if we say. And it's there across globally. It has already been in place for a while, but it has gathered momentum over a period of time. So let me share some interesting aspects with you on this on when it comes to the video based marketing. So what is this video based marketing? Let me talk about this marketing engine for you in say 30 days time. How one can build up this marketing engine. So first and the foremost thing is that when we are talking of types of content, there are different kinds of different types of contents which are there. Three types of content. First is the text based content which is there. Second is the pictorial content, and third is the video based content. Text based content is typically the content which is in the written form in the textual matter. Pictorial, what we see on the hoardings when we go out and we see everywhere across. And third is the video based content. The percentage of video based content is more than 50% when it comes to sales conversions, when it comes to numbers happening. Even right now, if you are viewing this live stream, you are seeing a video based content which is there. The consumption of video based content has multiplied over a period of time, and this is one of the most proven successful ways for any business to accelerate their sales, irrespective of the industry, irrespective of the geography. This is the preference of the consumer. So these are the three different kinds of content which is there. Moving ahead, what are the 10 big advantages of a video based content? Now let me ask, think about this perspective. If you're already doing a video based content for your business, wonderful. If you're not doing it, probably it's time for you to think about this. First and the foremost one is that people enjoy watching video. It is a normal human tendency. Everybody likes to see as many videos as they wish to. Secondly, there is a higher demand. There is a exponential growth in the demand when it comes to the video based content. Let me share with you one example. Yesterday I got a mail from some person, some company, and they had pasted the video of the CEO in that mail. And the study says such type of mails, this is one of the examples which is there, has got a very high conversion rate. So it's a higher demand. Everybody wants to consume video. Everybody has been consuming the video based content. And it is also witnessed with the fact that how the streaming channels have been of big support in this thing. Third comes as the powerful marketing tool. It's a very powerful marketing tool. Yes, a lot of people are yet to understand this perspective that video-based content is a very, very powerful tool which can turn around the sales of any business, any industry into a different direction altogether. Next point is it establishes a better customer connect. Today, because of the changing environment, the changed environment where people have, there is a movement restriction in the movement of the people also at this point of time. And say because of the distancing norms also which is going on, people are looking for more of the connect which is there. And video-based content establishes immediate connect with the people around. Next point is it helps in faster decision making. I'm sure each one of you who are seeing this video or will see this video at a later point of time would have done some online purchase after seeing any ad. And that's the way it works. The entire shift has been from a static message to a dynamic message. And that's what is the exponential shift which is there. Another very important aspect which video-based marketing brings in to the table is that there is a higher return on investment. As your cost of acquisition of new client goes down. Now, when we are talking of a client acquisition cost, this is one of the most important and the most expensive thing for every single business. New client acquisition is the most important thing. And it's the most expensive. So whenever a company or a business is making good use of a video-based content, the cost of acquisition goes down drastically. So this is something which is very, very important for everybody to understand. It also acts as a lead generation tool. Whenever there is a video which is video-based content is published, it reaches to a larger set of audience also, and it may generate a lot of leads for you also. There's a 80% higher conversion rate. This is a very significant number. One of the biggest challenges for every single business has been new client acquisition and conversion. And video-based conversion, video-based content converts new clients higher than 80%. This is something which is very important, which everybody must think about it. And there is a good rapport building which happens. Whenever there is a video which is there, it establishes an immediate connect, your connect with your consumer. There's a rapport building which happens. And there's an edge over the competition. This is such an important aspect, such an important tool, but yet very few people are using it today in today's world. And if the way we are seeing the things to happen, it's a matter of choice, how fast one want to capitalize on this marketing engine. So moving ahead, these were the 10 advantages of the video-based content. Let me just share with you what are the myths people are having. This video coming in front of a camera and talking have got different aspects altogether. So let me just share with you what are the myths which are there. First of all, a lot of people come up with the fact it won't work in my geography. I am working in a different industry. I am working in a different geography and it won't work. Yes, it will not work only at the place where there is no access to the videos. That is the only place probably it will not work. Definitely, I agree. If somebody is from that geography. Let us understand one thing. The entire shift in the consumer behavior has changed over a period of time. The number of people consuming video has gone up. Consuming video-based content has gone up drastically over the period of time. The younger generation, if we talk of, there is a shift in that. And not only the younger generation, even the elder generation or the adults or the senior citizens, they are also curious to learn about technology-based solutions. So this is something which is very, very important. Second myth which is there is that I don't get time to get it. The most common reason which I've heard from a lot of people is that I don't have time to shoot the videos. How can it happen? Third one is that it's very expensive. Videos, shooting the videos, recording the videos, publishing it, it's very expensive. And again, the point comes, I need professional help for this to record the videos. These are the certain areas which are there. First of all, I don't get time to get to it. It's a matter of choice. If it's a high priority, definitely things will happen. Secondly, it's expensive to create videos. That is gone are the days. Yes, initially when video shooting used to happen, when there were lack of resources, then it was a different story. Today, the best resource which we are having is this mobile phone. This is the best video recorder which one can have it. And most of the videos you can record it simply just over a mobile phone. And it's expensive to create videos. Hardly there is any cost in terms of creating the videos. Content is that what matters. The value addition, what brings on the table to your consumers, for your audience, that is something which is critical, not the other aspects. Other aspects are important, and you need professional help. Definitely, if you need to have a higher end video with some bit of graphics, then you may need some bit of professional help. But at the same point of time, just publishing value addition, knowledge based content for your audience does not require anything. And one of the very big factors which comes is that when we talk of this, there are a lot of struggles which people also face. A few of the struggles which is there. First and foremost things that people don't accept this fact that they have a challenge. Speaking in front of a camera, speaking in front of an audience is one of the biggest challenges which a lot of people face even today. And this is something which one needs to overcome, and it can be done. It is something which can be done easily. Even I had a challenge years back. I was even not able to converse in the English language comfortably. Now, this is, I'm talking of some around 20 years back, 20, 25 years back. That was a time when I was not able to talk in the proper language. But it just came in by practice. So it is first and the foremost thing is, if anybody is having that apprehension in terms of having that element of fear of public speaking, you can do it definitely. Having that belief in terms of talking and producing, it's about your business. It's about you are marketing about your business, and it's your choice. You have to do it. So moving ahead, what are the business struggles which comes when we are talking about video-based content? If one is not making good use of video-based content, which is like higher conversion rate of 80%, and it is 50% plus sales are happening through a video-based content, there will be limited business growth because it will be reached to lesser number of people. Second, there will be a struggle in terms of getting new clients. Getting new clients will become a struggle as the message will not go faster. The message will go to a limited set of people, and one may be using the traditional ways of acquiring the new clients. So that struggle, whatever has been the current challenges, that will remain. Higher marketing spends will be there. Once if somebody is not adopting to this new methodology of a marketing engine of a video-based sales, one will be following the same old traditional method. So once that same old traditional method is being followed, obviously the expenses will be higher where it comes to new client acquisition, which in turn will eat away into your profitability also. And yes, more competition. This is something, if a traditional marketing way being followed, definitely has got much more competition. Competition is very, very, very fierce in the market across different industries. There is, I would say, a cutthroat competition. But you have got a very strong tool. Get into a video-based marketing, and trust me, you will see a complete change when it comes to dealing with the competition. So when we are talking video-based marketing, there are 3 P's of a video-based marketing. How does this entire thing work? Video-based marketing works primarily through 3 important factors. Now, these are the extremely important factors which one needs to be aware about it. First and the foremost one is preparation. Preparation is the must and the most important aspect. Without preparation, anything can boomerang. Even if it's a short video, if it's a long speech, if you are shooting your own video, recording your own video, or if you are addressing a larger audience, preparation is one of the most essential elements for your message to be highly productive and really impactful. If that is the case, preparation has to be done at all points of time, irrespective of the length of the session, irrespective of anything. Second important aspect which is there is practice. Video-based content, public speaking, speaking in front of public, addressing a larger audience, it all requires consistent practice. The more you practice, the more you will become sharper and expert in that. This is very simple. And the third one is production. Production is a very important aspect. Let's take a case, I do say this, just one Facebook Live today and it's end of the story. Will it help? It will not help. It will help limited only. Or if I record only one video and I just leave it, will it be of help? It will be of help, but it will be of limited help. So continuous production, the more you are able to produce about your business, about the value addition which you can add to your clients, the value adds, the concepts which you can give to your clients, which leads to the education-based marketing, which is the latest need of the hour also. Education-based marketing, value addition-based sales. These are the 2 very important elements. And this can easily come once you start producing more and more information to your audience at all points of time. So this is about something about video-based content, video-based marketing. If you have been doing till now, wonderful, superb. Congratulations to you. Please continue to doing it. If you have not been doing it, it's time for you to start thinking about it. Is it easy? Yes, definitely it is easy. Does it require hard work? Yes, it requires hard work. It requires hard work, but it is easy to do. There's a set process which is involved, which can enable one to produce the right quality of the videos. Just doing a video shooting does not help until unless it's just a casual video shoot. One can talk anything on that, but here we are talking of something which can act as a marketing machine, marketing engine for your business. So with your permission, I would like to share with you something which is there in store for you. So can I go for it? Thank you so much. I am considering that you have given me your nod and permission to share something interesting for you. So let me just share this, how you can build up your marketing engine in 30 days time. So now this is a program which I present in front of you, where first and the foremost thing is that it is practical oriented. There is a lot of practical application which will go into this program when you have to work upon it. You have to put in a lot of efforts in terms of recording of the videos, in terms of public speaking. That is the practical aspect which is involved. Second, there will be live interaction sessions in this. It's like that you may be asked to present a certain set of audience. Obviously, it will happen on a digital mode at this point of time, but one may be asked, because this is once public speaking is effective, you will be easily able to record the videos. So that is something which we are going to work on this thing. Secondly, there's learning. Every sales pitch, every message, whatever is communicated, there is a process. There is a structured process which one needs to follow, which can resonate with your clients and enable your client to arrive at a faster decision in making a purchase through you. So there is a structured process which is involved in this thing. That is what you are going to learn about it. Third thing is public speaking mastery. Your fears of coming in front of a camera or going in front of an audience will go, because we'll be getting deep dive into the public speaking mastery, how that is one art which can be mastered. And that is one of the most essential things today in terms of communicating with your audience. What is it that you're going to get also? You will have a ready set of videos, professionally done videos, which will be ready for your use for your marketing of your business. And there are a lot of bonuses. So if you think that yes, video-based content is very essential in today's time, and you are really looking forward to build up a new marketing engine which can put your sales on a fast track growth in next 30 days time, you can click on the link below and register yourself, and you will get all the details about this thing. This is a program happens once in a month because it's an extensive practical application oriented program. So if you want to grow your sales, if you want to put your business on the fast track growth, get into the video based marketing. So with this, I would like to end this Facebook live stream. I would like you to, if you like this entire content, please, I would like you to share it with your connects. You may like it, you may comment it, and I'll be more than happy to express my gratitude to you, all of you. Thank you so much for joining in, and we bring an end to this entire session.